Today we are going to be sharing the fastest and easiest way to change out a harmonic balancer on a 2019 Chevy Corvette Z06. So on the General Motors procedure, they want you to remove the front cradle, they want you to remove the rack and pinion, they want you to remove the sway bar, they want you to remove the cooling fan and the radiator. That's a lot of stuff to remove just to take off a harmonic balancer. We're not going to do all that. I've got a little tutorial laid out for you. We're going to get into it. I'm going to show you the actual repair of me doing it and explain to you how you can do it to avoid having to do that yourself. So hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. Today we are going to be sharing the fastest and
you are working on, here, let's back up a little bit. If you're working on a Z06 Corvette, okay? Look at this thing, fancy, right? And you get to this, and they say, hey, you're changing the camshaft. Why don't you pull off the harmonic balancer? Because you got to for this, right? Well, this sits up here, up in your way. And the cradle is pretty close to in your way. So GM says, remove the cradle, remove the rack and pinion, all the way out of the vehicle, and then do this. Instead, what I've done, I removed cooling fan, radiator, condenser, all that room, took the sway bar, dropped it down, took the tie rods off the rack, moved that forward, and then you have just enough clearance to clear the cradle here. And I'll drop a little video of me doing that right after this. Thank you guys.
All right, so while you're doing this job, you might run into a very, very stuck balancer bolt. Now, don't be alarmed. That is not because of rust. It's not because of corrosion. What this is, it's a factory style of red Loctite. It's orange in color. Most of the time, it's going to be mostly around just the head so that you can get it off. The best thing that I recommend doing is if you have the tool, they make a locking tool that goes onto the hub itself. It's a long bar, or it goes onto the harmonic balancer, the crank itself. It's a long bar, bolts onto it, goes to your frame, or you put it on the floor and it traps it, and then you can use a breaker bar. That's one way. The other way is to use a really, really strong impact, and sometimes it will just break that factory Loctite loose. And if that doesn't work, what I'm going to show you in this video, what I did is I used a MAP gas torch. I heat up just the head of the bolt. I take a spray bottle with some water in it. I spray around it to get the rubber seal around the harmonic balancer nice and wet so that I can watch it. If it dries up fast, I know my heat's going everywhere and I got to stop. I got to cool it back down. But keep everything nice and cool besides just the bolt. Let that heat soak into it, and it will actually like kind of liquefy that Loctite to the point where it'll just come right out for you. So watch it happen. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have made it this far, please hit that like and subscribe. Share it with somebody that would enjoy this video. Stay tuned. We're going to be making some more of these videos on this Corvette specifically and on a whole bunch of other cars. I got a lot of content. I'm working on getting the tutorials out, getting the how-tos out for you guys for totally free. I like giving this value out for free. I've spent a lot of time earning it and getting it, but this is my full-time job, so I get paid to do it. So I want to do it for people that have different full-time jobs and they are still interested in this. I'm also working on creating a Discord and a Facebook community that you guys can just come in and message me directly and ask questions. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like, please hit that subscribe, drop a comment, let me know what your thoughts are. And if you're doing this repair yourself, let me know. Let me know how it went for you. Let me know if this tutorial helped you, or if you have any criticism, please drop it and let me know. But be constructive, be kind, and have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Hair and Performance out.